HSSE. HSSE is important for every industry, because it's really important that the people who work for you will come to the work to do your work in the morning, go home in the evening in the same state. Yeah. And if you go to the next one, machine vision can do a lot of things with HSSE. HSSE, it can be many different things. HSSE can be looking for leakages, can be looking for spillage, can be looking for CO2 emissions. Yeah, can be looking for, does the person have his PPE equipment, clothes on. So you're collecting, again on the left, images, often on cameras. Again, I mentioned before, it can be your CCTV cameras. It can be the camera, it might be your body camera on the operator. It can be any type of camera, any kind of image. It can be fixed cameras, can be drone cameras, can be robotics cameras. All that data, often camera images, but not always, can also be other type of data. But if it's camera image using machine vision, in ads, it is very, very time critical. Time critical might be you see that somebody's walking in an area with gas leakage, so you want to immediately take action and get that person out of that environment. So that could be an example of make it time critical, and we showed it in a moment. Or if it's not time critical, you can bring it to the cloud environment, under cloud storage, and then apply machine vision in that cloud environment. And again, this is all about people safety, and also the safety of your factory, your facilities, to prevent any big impacts on your facilities. This of course can also impact people, your own employees, or people living in your environment. So go to the next one. You see on the left, you see several examples. You see something about outfit detection. I've talked about PPE before. And that can be your security camera, your CCTV cameras, just spotting it, and then we send it to the edge environment or to the cloud environment. We apply machine vision, AI to it, and tell you where to take action. Geofencing, that's what I meant a moment ago. If you spot a dangerous situation, could be lifting goods, could be gas leakages, could be any other spillage, or could be something else which is impacting your staff, then you really want to apply geofencing. You want to know where these people are. And one way of knowing what people are is making sure they have a tag on. So you have the combination of spotting the issues with 5G, with cameras, and know where your people are. So you can immediately send a message to these people on an individual level, say, go out of space, move, do this, do that, and the person can respond to that. But it's a combination then of spotting the problem, and then secondly, taking action if people are in that environment, and people are being told to get out of that environment in almost real time, because it can be dangerous for people. On the right is smoke detection or fire detection, of course. These are just some simple examples from an HSSE point of view. You can take them anywhere, but often it is about collecting camera images, and then based on camera images, you take action, and there can be a broad spectrum of actions. These are just some examples out here.